My name is Joseph Andrews. In my lab, we study printed electronics and flexible electronics. Printed electronics relies on technologies like inkjet printing or roll-to-roll printing to put liquid electronic materials down onto flexible substrates. The technology in our lab is pretty advanced in terms of printing. We can print things really small, about 1/10 of the width of a human hair. I think the interesting thing about our work is it's inherently interdisciplinary. So you need to be an expert in mechanical engineering topics like fluid dynamics and how the ink is going to flow through the printer and what's going to happen when it hits the substrate. Once we print a device and start analyzing it, you need to be an expert in electrical engineering and device physics. And so it's fun for me because I get to wear a bunch of hats as a mechanical engineer and an electrical engineer. I think working in a printed electronics lab is a lot of fun because the turnaround from thinking of a device, from imagining it in your head, and making it can be so short. You can come up with a device in the morning, draw it up using computer automated design, upload it to the printer, print your inks, do some post-processing, and be testing it by the afternoon. So I think there's a lot of creativity that can flow from that. Here in Wisconsin, we have the Wisconsin idea that what we do at the university should benefit the whole state. And so one example of what we're doing is printed soil sensors. So we're working to develop printed, extremely low-cost soil sensors that we can place in different farms and really get a read of certain chemicals in the soil. This benefits the farmers. It helps them know if they're applying the right nutrients and the right amounts of nutrients. It also benefits the local environment. I'm an inherently curious person, so I'm always trying to learn. So having my job focused on being at that frontier of knowledge in my field and trying to push that frontier, I'm learning something new every day.